Hey, this is Jeff Lumpkin with Blue Collar BI, and today I'm going to build a date table in Power Query. It's going to take just 5 minutes.
One of the reasons why I like to use Power Query is because of all the add column functionality that exists there. So really all I need to do is remember a single formula to create the table in the first place. And then the rest of the time, I'm just going to add columns onto that table using existing functionality. It's a super simple way to build a date table. And date tables are really important for almost any Power BI file. So let's jump into it.
To get started building the 5-minute Power Query calendar, go to Get Data, Blank Query. And then here's the only formula that you need to remember. Equals list.dates. Hit the check mark or it won't work. Then start with the date. I'm going to go 12/31/2019 because I'm building a 3-year calendar from 2020 through 2022. There are 1,096 days, and I want to have every day in the calendar. So hit invoke. It's going to give me a single column here that I'm going to convert to a table. And I'm going to change the name of this table from invoke function to date. I'll also change the column to date, and then change the data type to date. So now I can use Power Query's add column functionality to complete this calendar. I'm going to do it super quick because it's super easy. So I'm going to go to date, year. It's going to add a year in there. Back to the date column. Month, which I'm going to call period. And then I'm going to go back to date, go to month again, and get name of month. Now I'm going to use my favorite function in Power Query, which is query from column from examples. So I'm going to type December and then Jan, and it's going to say text start of the month name, give the first 3 letters, which it did. And I'm going to change the name from first characters to month, and then get rid of this month name column. Then I'm going to add this column, which is combining month and year, again from examples. So December -19 and Jan -20. That's why I started with 12/31/2019, so I could change that pattern. Power Query picks it up. And now I have December 19, January 20, and I'm going to change the name custom to month year. Click OK. And that's how you build the date calendar. I'm going to add in some more columns, and we can talk more when I'm finished. Okay, now that I've added in all those columns, it's time to hit close and apply and bring this data down into Power BI Desktop. Okay, so there's my date table, built in less than 5 minutes. I think Power Query is by far the easiest and fastest way to build a date table. This is a super simple example. In my next video, I'm going to show a more complex example that has functionality to enable year-to-date, current month, and some other calculations specifically designed to be used as a finance calendar. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.